In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Fidelity phone number. This straightforward process can be completed online if you still have access to your current phone number. This is crucial since it helps maintain your account's security. Let's begin by logging into your Fidelity account. To do this, navigate to Fidelity's website and enter your login credentials. It's important to ensure your information is correct to avoid any login issues. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be on your main account page. Now locate the Profile section. This is found at the top of the page. Click on Profile, and once there, you'll want to find the Phone Number section. It's typically easy to spot. This is the area where all your personal contact information is stored. Accessing this section is critical because it holds the key to updating your phone number. Next up, click on the Edit button next to your current phone number. This action allows you to make changes to the information on file. With the Edit feature, you'll be able to enter your new phone number. Be sure to double-check the number you input. Accuracy is essential here to ensure you receive all necessary communications from Fidelity. Once you've entered your new phone number, you'll need to complete any security verification steps. This often involves a quick verification sent to your current phone number. These steps are important because they help protect your account from unauthorized changes. After successfully completing the verification, click Save. This action ensures your changes are updated in the system. You'll see a confirmation letting you know your new phone number has been saved. But what if you no longer have access to your old phone number? In such cases, updating your number online may not be possible. Fidelity often requires verification through the existing number on file. This is a security measure designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. However, don't worry, there are ways around this. If you find yourself unable to update your number online, you'll need to contact Fidelity directly for assistance. They have a dedicated customer service line available to help with this. You can reach them at 800-343-3548. This service is available 24/7 for many account types, ensuring you can get help at your convenience. For those of you with workplace retirement plans, support is available through Net Benefits. You can contact them at 800-835-5095. They specialize in handling inquiries related to workplace retirement plans. Their expertise can be invaluable when dealing with issues specific to those accounts. Remember, keeping your contact information up to date is vital for maintaining account security. It ensures you receive important notifications and updates without interruption. Regularly reviewing and updating your personal information can save you time and potential hassle in the future. Thank you for watching and following along. I hope this guide has been helpful in updating your Fidelity phone number. Stay secure and ensure your information is always current. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Fidelity's support team. They're there to help you every step of the way. Until next time, take care and stay secure.